The SkinAct Ultra 6-in-1 offers tons of great treatment options that clients will love. The touchscreen also makes it extremely easy to use. Another thing that makes it easy to use is the rolling stand. However, the machine doesn't have to stay on the stand. You have the option to take it off and turn it into a tabletop unit. Let's dive into the tools and see how they work. Plug the unit into an appropriate wall outlet and make sure to turn the switch on the back to the on position. The screen tilts forward when you turn it on. This is where you control all the tools of the machine. We'll start with dermabrasion. If you try to start it immediately, you'll hear a warning. That's because you need to choose the area that you'll be working on first. Some of the tools have multiple options for the area like face, neck, and eye. Once the area is chosen, you can press the play button and the tool will begin working. The timer will also run down. You can adjust the intensity level down here. We recommend starting at the lowest level for each tool and increasing according to client comfort. Diamond microdermabrasion helps to reduce wrinkles, acne, age spots, and more. It also leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. The Diamond microdermabrasion kit for this unit comes with 3 handles and 9 tips. The tips come in 3 sizes and have 3 levels of coarseness. When you're done, press the pause button to turn the tool off and then press the home button to go back to the home screen. Now for the skin scrubber. You can choose either facial or neck for the area. Notice over here under function there are multiple options. There are also different modes, so you can offer many different types of skin scrubbing with this machine. Skin scrubbers can help reduce acne, remove blackheads, diminish wrinkles, and more. Notice that if a tool is running, you cannot go back to the home screen. You need to stop the tool first with the pause button. Now you can go back to the home screen. Now for the bipolar radio frequency. Choose the area, choose whichever function you want, and start the tool. Bipolar RF helps rejuvenate and tighten the skin as well as help with treating cellulite. Push the pause button to stop the tool. Now for the Mesotherapy for the face. Mesotherapy helps increase collagen, firm the skin, and push anti-aging products more deeply into the skin. Press the pause button when you're done. The other type of mesotherapy this machine has is for around the eyes. It can help with pouches, dark circles, and wrinkles. The cooling hammer is great for soothing and cooling the skin after a dermabrasion treatment. It gets very cold shortly after starting the tool. The BioRoller is for larger areas like the face and neck. The roller helps with reducing wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, and pushing products deeper into the skin. The BioRound is used for around the eyes. The BioRoller and BioRound are BioLift tools, so they help stimulate muscles, firm the skin, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. When you're done with the machine, make sure it's turned off. We recommend holding on to all your original packaging at least until you've tested all of the functions of the unit. Once you confirm everything is working properly, we recommend keeping the packaging for the duration of your warranty period. However, if you don't have space, it's fine to dispose of the packaging after you've tested all the functions. There isn't a whole lot of maintenance you need to do as this is a fairly self-contained unit. Just make sure to clean and sterilize each tool that you use after each treatment. Also, keep an eye on the filter on the back of the unit. If it's dirty, you can remove the plastic cover with the included wrench. Once it's loose, the rest can be done by hand. Clean the plastic filter, disinfect it, and let it dry completely before putting it back on. This piece here you can clean with a toothbrush, then disinfect and let it air dry completely. You can tighten the filter by hand and then snug it up with the wrench. Be sure not to over-tighten to avoid it cracking. If the unit will not turn on, it might mean that the fuse is bad. To check the fuse, make sure the unit is unplugged. Then on the back of the unit below the power cord plug, you will see where the fuse is. It's easy to remove with a flathead screwdriver. Inspect the fuse. If the metal inside is broken or melted, it will need to be replaced. Replace the fuse with another of the same rating. If you don't know what the fuse's rating is, you can take it to a hardware store and they will be able to find you a replacement. Thank you for your interest in the SkinAct Ultra 6-in-1. If you would like to learn more about it, you can click the link on the top left corner of the video screen.